What? Hi, Buddy and Molly.
Hi, Bookedebook. How are you today?
I'm great. Thank you. What are you up to, guys?
We're just looking at this painting on the wall. Do you know what is that thing on the water?
Of course, it's called a boat.
Can you please tell us what a boat is for?
Yes, a boat is a transportation, like a car, or bicycle, or plane. But a boat is for water surface, like the river and the ocean. It helps us cross from one land to another. Would you like to experience a boat ride with me?
Sure. Do you know what we need to prepare for a boat ride?
Yes, I know. You will need a life vest so that you will not drown just in case when the boat sinks. It's just like a safety belt when you ride a car, or a helmet when you ride a bicycle.
Wow, it's so cool.
Now let's go for a boat ride to page 1. Here we go.
Whee!
Welcome to the river of Bookedebook. Here we have a boat floating on the water. Let's say hi to Boboat the boat.
Hi, Boboat.
Hi, Boboat. I'm Buddy.
And I'm Molly.
Hi, Bookedebook. Hi, Buddy and Molly. What can I do for you today? Buddy and Molly are here to experience a boat ride. That's easy. Just hop on and I'll show you in a song. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Boat ride is fun. What do you think, Molly?
I think so. Boboat, you should take us for another ride.
Yes, you can. Do you know that there are so many other boats?
Really?
Yes. So I'm a rowboat. I usually float on the river with my friends, like kayak and speedboat. Some other big boats are called ship, like a ferry ship. It's so big it can fit hundreds, even thousands of passengers and cars. But there is also another type of water transportation that can dive underwater. It's called a submarine.
Whoa, that's a lot.
I know, right? I'll take you there next time because we have to go home.
Oh, okay then.
Thank you for the ride, Boboat.
See you later, Boboat.
So, can you please tell me what you have learned today with Boboat?
I can tell. that the thing in that painting is a boat?
It can float on water surface and take us to another land. What else?
I think it's cool that there are so many types of boats.
Yes, I want to write them someday.
Don't worry, we'll definitely write them next time because I have to get ready for school now so that I can share more things with you.
Yay! Good luck at school, Bookedebook.
Can't wait to see more things from you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.